Why is my Google Analytics not showing data for my AngularJS application? Tracking user interactions and behaviors on your website with Google Analytics is a critical aspect of understanding your audience. However, developers might run into instances where Google Analytics does not show any data for their AngularJS application. This can be quite puzzling and frustrating. Let's dive into some common reasons why this might be happening and outline some steps to resolve these issues. 1. Incorrect Google Analytics setup. One of the most frequent issues is an incorrect setup of Google Analytics. Here are some common setup mistakes. Missing tracking ID. Ensure that your Google Analytics tracking ID is correctly placed in your application. A simple typo or misplacement can result in no data being captured. Misconfiguration. Check that you have correctly configured the Google Analytics script in your application. Make sure all necessary settings and permissions are in place. 2. Single-page application, SPA, considerations. AngularJS apps are typically single-page applications, SPAs, which means traditional page views are not tracked in the same way as in multi-page websites. Hence, additional configurations are required. Manual page views. Since AngularJS changes views dynamically without reloading the entire page, you need to manually signal page view changes to Google Analytics. Root changes. Make use of $root change success or similar events to notify Google Analytics of changes in the root. This is essential to track because each view change won't naturally capture a page view. Here's an example of how you can handle it in an AngularJS application. Three. AngularJS integration. AngularJS is a solution specifically designed for integrating analytics into AngularJS applications. It provides seamless integration with Google Analytics and other analytics providers. Make sure AngularJS is correctly set up and integrated into your AngularJS application. Installation. Install the AngularJS library via npm or bower. Configuration. Properly configure your tracking such as page views and events to ensure they're sent to Google Analytics. Example of page tracking using AngularJS. Four. Browser and ad blockers. Another reason could be that the browser or an ad blocker is preventing Google Analytics scripts from running. Browser restrictions. Ensure that there are no browser-level settings or permissions that block scripts. Ad blockers. Ask your users to disable ad blockers for testing. Sometimes ad blockers prevent analytics scripts from sending data. 5. Network and data issues. Google Analytics depends on successful HTTP requests to send data. Here's what to check. Network issues. Ensure that there are no network issues preventing your application from reaching Google's servers. Real-time reporting. Use the real-time reporting feature in Google Analytics to verify that data is being sent as expected. Conclusion. Troubleshooting Google Analytics issues in an AngularJS application can be intricate due to the dynamic nature of SPAs. Carefully check your setup, consider the special handling needed for SPAs, leverage tools like AngularJS, and ensure there are no external blockers to resolve these issues effectively. Properly integrating Google Analytics will provide valuable insights into your users' interactions, helping you make more informed decisions for the betterment of your application.